Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is MAKIA FX, and on this video I'll be giving you guys an update of what I'll be doing this year. You know, I made up my mind that I want to learn ICT, that's inner circle trading, to add to my forex knowledge. So people may ask, like, why do you want to change your trading strategy, or why do you want to start learning ICT? It's not actually because I don't know how to trade. I'm actually a professional, and I've been using the same strategy for a long period of time, and I've learned how to master the strategy. That is the demand and supply, also the trend line, and also I have some things that I add into that strategy which I can't tell you guys because that's my secret in forex trading. You know, everybody has his edge in forex trading, and I got my own edge. I may see people using the same strategy that I use but are not profitable, but I know what I'm using to become profitable in this particular industry. So what's the purpose of me trying to learn the ICT? You know, I was reading the Bible today, and it says in Proverbs 19 verse 27 that, my child, when you stop learning, you will soon neglect what you already know. So I believe that learning never ends, and we should always try to improve ourselves. Even though we are professionals in certain fields, we should try to learn more and know more about certain things in that particular field. So I want to learn about ICT trading. I want to know more about ICT trading. I'll give you guys an update of what I've learned as an ICT trader. You guys know, if you're in my group on Telegram, you'll be seeing more of me posting some things. We'll link with this BOS, COOC, you know, stuff, some ICT terms that, you know, if you're ICT trader, you probably know about this particular term. I believe that inner circle trading can help me to improve my knowledge base in forex trading, because I think there are some things that I need to learn to actually help me to become more profitable in this field. I may learn about ICT trading, but I may not become an ICT trader. I may just learn to improve my skills in my demand and supply trading, which I currently know. So how did I get to become a professional profitable trader? As you guys know, I got a lot of my ideas about trading from my mentor, because my mentor was trading for a bank, and as you guys know, these guys are the big market movers. The banks are those that actually move the market the way it is. These banks are extraordinary. If you can follow trading from these banks and these hedge funds, these big movers, you'll be successful in trading. So I got a lot of these skills from these people, and they helped me to actually leave that level of being a normal novice crazy trader with no idea. They got me to leave that level of being unprofitable to the level of being profitable. But now I want to move to a whole new level. I want to move to a different level this year, because every year we're supposed to have new goals, and we're supposed to dream big. So that's why I want to learn how to trade ICT. I want to know how they trade, because I'll take 2 months to learn ICT trading, and I'll give you guys an update on how it can help to improve my forex, if it helps me or not. Because if it helps me, I'll give an update in this channel. If it doesn't help me, I won't give any updates. So with that said, thanks for watching. Bye.